How you doing, guys? Steve Lav here. Just wanted to do a little Christmas video and wish all my subscribers Merry Christmas. And hopefully you get to spend some time with your family. And, I'm still at it, still doing videos, still recording and editing and cutting them up and making videos, still doing it, still at it. I'm not planning on stopping anytime soon, so I just want to say a big thank you for all the people that have been watching my videos over the years and all the subscribers that, stick with me over the years and watch my stuff. I really appreciate it. And I try to comment when I can. Most of my time is trying to spend editing videos in between my work and whatnot. So I did start going back to the health club and trying to go back every day and do an hour at the health club every day. It seems to be working, for me, and cut back on the drinking, stop the drinking, stop the beers. Drinking beer every day, while I was editing the videos wasn't good. So I quit all that and back at the health club and trying to get back into shape here. See if I could put some muscle on. I used to be a gym rat back in the day, and I'm 59 now, so let's see if I could put the muscle back on. Maybe. I'm going to try. But anyway, Merry Christmas and try to spend some time with your family. All right, have a good one.